Good morning, Carlos.
Okay, so XPX. So XPX is extending a bit past our target a bit, some point. But as we express, as we consider last week, the market it's certainly pointing to a top, and it's working on this top. Extensions within the subwaves are usual, but we should not think that the market is breaking out at this moment. So the same pattern, higher, a bit higher, some extensions, but lower into May 25th. So if you are asking why these extensions are happening, we must remember that on April 29, we could construct a case for higher on XPX. Another ABC that should take the market to 1725, sorry,
57.
sorry,
Yeah, 27. I think
27, 25, 27,
57.
57.
Right.
Okay, so on April 29, we sent this chart, AB, another ABC. So this chart was sent on April 29. If we go to current price structure, the market could be working toward 27.57. So we might be extending a bit here. We could be extending in two cases. One case is this from the 2652. We can elaborate two cases, and both the first case needs to hold 2705. The first case needs to hold 2705,
Okay.
and the second case needs to hold 2725, and can extend toward 2748. And if we have a kind of breakout, we can go for the original target at 2772. Okay. This is
So
these
we're
are the
so we're
extensions.
expecting a little pullback. It has to hold before projecting the another high, right? Which is 27.75,
Yes.
27.57.
2725 for support, and the next support is 2705.
Okay.
As we said on last video, I think we were clear on last video that we were waiting for a top. But if a trader wanted to trade alongside of this squiggle tiger, a trader had to put stop at 2666. So if a trader did that, and certainly the level worked, and he could have chased these extensions. Okay.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. The extensions are pointing to 2757.3. So if the trader thinks that they missed something, well, we said we were clear that if somebody really was interested in trading alongside, they could have gone for QQQ. QQQ has certainly performed well.
Yes, it has met
Uh,
all targets basically.
so we were looking for 170, 173, 172. These targets on QQQ are still probable. 170, 172.
Is it extended right now?
Yes, it's gonna extend. But with the Qs, we talked about Facebook. We said that Facebook was a very good candidate for 186. Certainly, Facebook is at one close on Friday at 186.99. And we talk about Amazon, we talk about NVDA earnings. NVDA earnings were good. We not even hit the support at 241, and yet it's currently holding 255.
And it's a buy, we said, right? You should buy it even on an earning after earning for higher target
Yes.
to
So
27
I
to
think that
170.
if if some upside is still available, traders should pick a medium, as I said on our last video where we commented about the Qs.
Exactly. Yeah.
So I think that NVIDIA about 250 can really go for higher. Okay, can really go for 270. I continue thinking NVIDIA can go a bit higher, 263, 261 in conservative targets. So the 260 strike is certainly good. You only have to watch the 250 area. If we break the 250 area, then we have to reconsider. Okay, but not at the moment. So I think that NVIDIA is a good candidate for long. Always using the 260 strike.
Yep.
So while what I want to say is that chasing is not continuing being not recommended. We are not recommending chasing here. We are recommending traders to be patient. If this is an ABC structure, as we said on April 29, ABC, this structure is not healthy. Okay.
Healthy in this sense, if it goes right there, you expect a stronger pullback.
Yes. A pullback that at a minimum should hold 26.94. If the pullback doesn't hold 26.94, we can retest the lows. And I mean by the lows, I mean the 25.51 lows.
Yeah, 25.
We can retest them, and we can break them. So I am not recommending aggressiveness on the long side. Okay, we did recommend on April 29 that the excessive confidence of the viewers would have to be examined. So on April 29, we did recommend to be aggressively long. But now,
not right now, yes. So that was 29. Yeah, and actually we did play long during that time. We went long with the Qs and SPX.
We're recommending traders to be conservative, to take profit.
Be patient.
Wait.
You wait for it. So let the market show you what's next, right? So let the market complete its structure. Wait for a pullback before any long position, and confirm this is the actual breakout from that long term from that long 3 months of correction.
Yeah, so if a trader wants to be long, okay, the Qs again, the Qs. NVIDIA, I did recommend on last video we talked about Apple. And we did say that Apple was a good candidate. Apple is trading at 189.
Yeah, it hit 192.
Certainly Apple can break out for 194. We talked about that. 207. So I certainly would like to offer and to tell the traders, okay, you can go long, be long here, but it's not something I can do.
It's a little bit extended right this moment.
Yes. We talk about a net. We are long a net. A net has support at 258.
Potential target of 270, right?
Yes. And we are still looking for 266, 268. So another candidate to go long.
Yep.
About Netflix. Netflix has support from the last low Let me see if I have Netflix on this other layout. 307. I sold Netflix on Friday and I am looking for a re-entry point. So for Netflix, support is 322. Support can be bought.
And you still Netflix has legs to go higher, making new high.
I send that Netflix, yes, holding 322 can go for 350, 348. 350, 348. So if somebody is thinking about buying, I do recommend to buy enough time.
Yeah, so by duration, if you're looking to buy
So
Netflix to the
for
long
an
side.
NVDA, I have December.
Okay.
Okay.
Again, use a proper percentage from your account. Do not overdo it in any trade. Just common trade management that we always talk about.
Amazon. Let me see Amazon. We have Amazon on the micro chart that we are tracking from this low at 50.46. 15.46, sorry, 15.46. So we could see a pullback toward 1591. Okay, 1591, 1588.
So
And
far, it's
then
holding really good, actually, Amazon. Yeah. 1591 is a pretty decent place to support.
and simply Amazon could go for 1639 if you want a conservative average. We can have I'm sorry. $16.24. I think we talked about $16.24 the last day. So if you want to go go long the leaders and review your stops. But don't think that the market is breaking out here.
Right.
It's not breaking. I don't think
Right.
I think the cycles are overbought enough as to give us a pullback. When the cycles are oversold, then we can talk about going long. But here cycles are certainly very, very high. The market it's trying to accomplish or trying to meet some higher targets. But I don't think we can break out.
Okay.
I don't think so. So for the micro, so again, the micro has support at 27,
27.25. Yeah. And the upside is very also like limited, right? Given where we are. So I think at the pre-market we hit 27.40, and now we're pulling back a little bit.
So some points to 27.57.
Yeah.
So I like being bullish right here, but I cannot. I need more evidence. I need
confirmation that the bulls are actually gonna take it from here.
Yes, for
and
example,
and a pullback that would help. A pullback to support will help the bullish case.
if we review
Yeah,
our
Baba.
long, I know that you have some puts on Baba. I have support for Baba at 194.
Yeah, we're just playing the short term pullback was a little bit extended, and the chart showed like a little doji. That's why we did some puts on Friday. Nothing crazy, just a little minor pullback.
So I think that you might be right on that trade with support at 184.
Exactly.
61. But certainly asking for pullbacks on leaders, it's something really, really hard to do because they tend to be pressed by institutions. Every time I sell a leader or every time I try to short a leader, it's really a bad experience. So another leader, so Excel can extend to, is the reason that I think NVDA has some room to go. Because this leader, XOXL, the ideal for XOXL is 168. So I think that there is some left potential on
About 5%.
5%. We are talking about Intel here. Intel has been behaving. So Intel, I am talking about new.
Microns.
Stepping up the market.
Yeah, Microns pretty good. Solid.
Yes. This leaders, then we have NVIDIA. So this is NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA has room to go.
Okay.
So, but I'm going to recommend stops below 250.
250.
Okay.
So NVIDIA, Micron, SOXL. These are recommended the longs, even if you want to play the Qs.
Want to play
the Qs, okay.
As always, I do recommend Apple.
And Apple and pullback for sure to 194.
Because you need to cover the long side with quality. Right. In case you are grown, because you can be grown, certainly. You can be grown in a bull market. So it's what I do. I take protections. I am long shares on the leader. Because what if the market doesn't stop at
it's what you're going, exactly. You don't want to miss the run. So you find solid stocks and you trade to the long side, exactly. Because the market may not pull back, like you said, it may extend, and you don't want to miss the move up. So you find.
If we review our portfolio, we have some positions on Palo Alto, NVIDIA, Apple, New, Amazon, Intel, and Vava. So we have some leaders on our portfolio where we are protecting ourselves in case the market doesn't stop at 27.57.
Correct.
So while the market can pull back, and certainly we have been looking for lower, we have solid companies that will act as a hedge in case the market exceeds this level, 27.57. So again, if you are going to trade by a long-term strikes, long-term date for your strikes, and don't think that the market is breaking out. Market really has this route for pulling back in one way or another during this week.
Exactly. Excellent.
So this is
our update.
This is our approach at the moment.
Okay. Thank you very much, Carlos. I'll look forward for more updates. And for our viewers, just always, you know where to find us. Come to seekingoptions.com. We're going to be there for any questions. We're going to be looking at charts and with the rest of the team. Thank you and have a great week. Thank you, Carlos.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for any future updates. Also leave us a comment and don't forget to like and share.